How to run a Python script at a certain time in a Tmux terminal? I have a Python script, or should I say a Python service which needs to run every day at 3 p.m. Basically, there is a while true, a time.sleep, 1, at the end of the file. I absolutely need this script to execute in a terminal window, because I need the logs. Bonus if the solution makes it possible to run in a Tmux window. I tried cron jobs but can't figure out how to put this in a terminal.
I'd suggest sticking with cron and using the T command to log the results. Your cron tab would look something like this.
Okay, I see what you're saying. I've done some similar stuff in the past. For the cron to run your script at 3 p.m. and append to a log file, you can do that simply like this. 015 *** command, log hashtag just logs stout. Or 015 *** command and log hashtag logs both stout and stare. If you want it in the terminal, I can think of two possibilities. Like you said, you could do a while true loop that checks the time every n seconds, and when it's 3 p.m. do something. Alternately, you could set up an API endpoint that's always on and trigger it by some other program at 3 p.m. This could be triggered by the cron, for example. Personally, I also like the convenience of having a Tmux or screen to log into to see what's been happening rather than just checking a log file. So I hope you figure out a workable solution for your use case.
As mentioned above, cron job that redirects output to a file might be the simplest, but if that is not possible and you want to keep process running, you can set timeout till next day 3 p.m.
Thanks all for the answers. I used a cron job with a bash script for Tmux scripting. Something like that.
Flash the